Alright, so I have to get to that bridge. So I'm not sure how much I'll sink in that. So I'm gonna try going over the beaver dam. The beaver dam was passable.